2, 3.
Okay, go on. Sorry.
Okay, go.
Good morning! Day 13 of our cruise day, and we are here in Montevideo, Uruguay!
Yay!
It is supposed to be the secret city, well-kept secret city in Uruguay.
Really?
Because of its very, very nice places.
What else? What is our itinerary for today?
So we're going to Punta Caritas La Rambla today. It's 15 minutes taxi. And then we are going to probably just walk in the promenade for about 30 minutes. And then we're going back to the city, it's called Old City. And we're going to church! Yeah!
I think that's the church.
It's the Metropolitan Cathedral.
I think that's the church over there.
Yes. And then we are going to end the day with lunch at Mercado de la Puerta.
Yay!
Or is it Mercado de la Puerto?
I see you
I don't know
there.
if it's male or female.
Mercado Puerto. Puerto kasi nasa may port.
Oh, okay. So it's Mercado de la Puerto, where we will taste the best meat in the world. Best meat is in Uruguay. So if you're vegetarian, good luck to you.
No, you can have roasted carrots.
That's right.
And I'll see you there.
All right, we'll see you there. Bye.
From the cruise terminal, we took an Uber that cost $15 just to have a picture of this sign. Montevideo with the background of this. So pretty. Ano nga po dati, oh?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Feels like Ipanema.
Oh, wow. Nice, oh? Wave! Ah, nice, oh. Saan tayo? Saan pa? Shana.
Ishana? Ishanika? Del Rio o Ishanika?
Río.
Rio? I told you it's
Río
Rio.
de la Plata.
Oh, Rio de la Plata.
Plata.
Sí, Plata.
Nice.
Españoles.
Conquistaron.
Sí, pero creyeron que había oro.
Smile! And from the Montevideo sign, we are now here in Plaza Independencia. Plaza Independencia. Sweetheart,
Plaza Independencia.
Plaza Independencia.
Sign.
With this building. See? It's unique. Oh, ay taring landong niya. Landong.
Hello. Kapicture kayo sa uniform yan.
Ayaw nga no. Nagkatong yung si Eden pa picture bitaw. This is like Luneta Park. Luneta no. Si Artigas po, nag-ilahang Rizal. Jose Rizal. Jose Artigas. And there's also guards. Unsa kay change of guards nila? Ganina pag-abot na. We missed the change of guards. Artigas. Then parang Luneta Park. And this is the gate to the old city. Gate to the old city here in Montevideo. And this is the gate to the going to the new city. We are now standing at the old city. Sweetheart! The old city. And we are now here in Plaza Constitution. Plaza Constitution. Nanto ka na, sweetheart.
Ano Tagalog man na? Oy, buang. Tagalog.
Plaza Institution. Nice. Look at the trees.
Buang wa ka Tagalog.
In its center.
Why are the trees?
It is the Constitution Square, public space created in 1726. It was the site of civil and military celebrations and bullfights. It also served as a market in the mid-19th century. Trees were planted along two diagonal paths, paved and equipped with benches and lampposts, and the fountain was built in its center.
It says sugar.
They're telling the truth
says
on their
total-
products.
It says total grease or oil, excess saturated oil, excess in calories.
Telling the truth.
How about this one? Is it right? Lahat pala, may ano talaga oh. Sugar grease.
Metropolitan Cathedral.
Anong minisa dito? Ano oras?
Nag-walk?
13 minutes.
After 13 minutes of walk from the church, from the Metropolitan Cathedral here in Montevideo, we are here in the Mercado, Puerto.
Pila lang magnet?
Itipid nga magkano yun lang magnet?
450 nga eh.
Ay, 450. 200 lang ito ah.
Oh, pala to.
450.
So we got our magnet cheaper.
200 yung
Doble. Puerto Maria. Look at the fire. It's also here. Same thing.
Sipan lang ba?
Para masabi lang na kumain tayo. Mercado.
Saan? Yeah, but ketchup.
We have the ano ka sa daplin? The rib eye and the loin, pork ay beef loin. And that's it for Uruguay, Montevideo, Uruguay. We are right now here outside the Puerto Marino. This is where we had Uruguay steak and Uruguay beer. Say bye. Bye. Heading back to the ship. And we're back. We'll be walking, going to the gangway. Bakit gangway ang tawag? Ha?
Bye, Montevideo!
Di nilagay Montevideo?
Bye, Montevideo!
Uruguay!
Uruguay! Uruguay!
Bye! Bye, Montevideo! Or
Montevideo!
Montevideo! Montevideo!
Uruguay!